Welcome to the world of Sri Parasnath, India's leading manufacturer of Italian marble and granite slabs. With factories in Silvassa and Kishangarh, we are proud to introduce India's first advanced 7-stage VRS process, a complete robotic process from cutting the stone block to the finished product. Sri Parasnath is proud to introduce India's first 7-stage VRS or vacuum reinforced system. We procure the best stone blocks from Italy, Turkey, Greece, Spain, Norway and many other countries. At the first stage, the blocks are treated with epoxy and vacuumed to fill all the cracks and pinholes. Using the latest gang saw machines, our blocks are cut to international specifications with less than 0.9 mm variation. We use robotic arms to move the slabs and they are book matched with precision. Using robotics, we minimize human error, which results in faster output and a better finish. The wet marble goes through the oven to dry at 50 degrees for 1 hour. For greater strength and durability, epoxy is sprayed and fiber mesh netting is applied. To help secure the netting, epoxy is allowed to cure in oven at 45 degrees for 2 hours. To treat both sides of the marble, the slab is now turned over 180 degrees. We use double-sided epoxy coating and the front of the slab is also coated with Italian epoxy. This process greatly enhances the finish of the slab and adds an extra level of protection for the top surface. Immediately after the application of the epoxy, the slab is vacuumed to create pressure so that the epoxy can fill up all the minor cracks and pinholes to smooth out any imperfections on the surface. For a perfect finish, one more layer of epoxy is applied to fill the finer cracks. The slabs are then processed in the oven at 45 degrees for 4 hours to dry and cure the top epoxy coating. The marble is then inspected for quality control by the in-house lab for any imperfections and for the gloss level. The slab is leveled by a 6-head grinder and any imperfections in the epoxy is evened out. After the grinding process, the marble is dried again at 50 degrees for 1 hour. One more layer of epoxy is applied to the slab for the final finish. Final curing of the epoxy is done at 45 degrees for 4 hours. The marble is given a final polish and is now ready to be delivered to our clients. Our esteemed clientele includes